weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Medina County until noon Eastern Daylight Time at 11:11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 8 miles west of Litchfield and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Medina, Brunswick, Wadsworth. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until noon Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Medina County, Ohio.